When you feel zero motivation. What if I told you the biggest lie you've ever believed is that you need motivation to get started? Think about it. How many times have you said, "I'll do it when I feel motivated"? Tomorrow becomes next week becomes next month. Then one day, you look back and realize your life hasn't changed. So here's the question. What if the problem was never your motivation? What if your brain was doing exactly what it was designed to do? By the end of this video, you'll understand why you feel completely unmotivated, and more importantly, how to break out of it. Part 1. Your brain isn't working against you. Imagine your ancestors thousands of years ago. Every bit of energy mattered. Wasting it could mean starving. Because of that, the human brain evolved to save energy whenever possible. That ancient survival system still exists today, but instead of avoiding dangerous hunts, it avoids difficult work. Studying, exercising, building a business, learning a new skill. When your brain sees a task that looks hard or uncertain, it quietly asks one question: can I avoid this and still be okay? If the answer is yes, it chooses the easier reward: scrolling, watching videos, checking notifications, not because you're lazy, because your brain is trying to protect energy. The problem is, your brain is built to survive, not to help you achieve ambitious goals. Part 2. The motivation trap. Most people think successful people wake up excited every day. They don't. Athletes don't always want to train. Writers don't always want to write. Entrepreneurs don't always want to work. The difference is simple. They stop treating motivation as a requirement. Psychologists have long observed that behavior and motivation influence each other. In many situations, taking action first increases motivation, not the other way around. That means waiting to feel ready often keeps you stuck because your brain wants proof before it invests energy. Action is that proof. The smallest action tells your brain, "We're doing this," and slowly, resistance starts to fade. Part 3. Why starting feels so hard. Have you ever noticed something strange? Thinking about working out feels exhausting. But once you've been exercising for 10 minutes, it suddenly feels normal. The same happens with studying, cleaning, writing. The hardest part is rarely the work itself. It's crossing the invisible line between thinking and doing. Your brain exaggerates the effort before you begin. Once you're moving, that prediction often turns out to be wrong. That's why the first step always feels heavier than the second. Part 4. The rule that changes everything. So here's something you can use today. Forget 1 hour. Forget perfect routines. Forget waiting for the perfect mood. Give yourself one mission. Start for just 5 minutes. Read 1 page. Do 5 push-ups. Write 1 paragraph. Open the project you've been avoiding. 5 minutes. That's it. If you still want to quit afterward, you can. No guilt. But here's what usually happens. Your brain realizes, this isn't as difficult as I expected, and continuing becomes easier. Small actions create momentum. Momentum creates consistency, and consistency builds the life people mistake for motivation. The truth that sets you free. So the next time you feel like you have zero motivation, don't ask, "How do I make myself feel motivated?" Ask, "What's the smallest action I can take in the next 60 seconds? Because your future won't be decided by the days you feel inspired. It will be decided by the days you don't. The days when your brain tells you to wait, and you choose to move anyway. That's the moment ordinary people become extraordinary. Not because they felt motivated, because they acted before they did. And once you understand that, you'll never have to wait for motivation again.